আজ বুদ্ধ পূর্ণিমা, খুব উল্লেখযোগ্য দিন। আমরা এখন আছি লাসাতে, তিব্বতের রাজধানী লাসা। আজকে আমরা দেখব টিবেটিয়ান মিউজিয়াম এবং সেরা মনাস্ট্রি। Painting of Potala Palace. The Sera Monastery is a complex of structures with the Great Assembly Hall and 3 colleges, and was founded in 1419 by Jamchen Chojey. During the 1959 revolt in Lhasa, Sera Monastery suffered severe damage, with its colleges destroyed and hundreds of monks killed. After Dalai Lama took asylum in India, many of the monks of Sera who survived the attack moved to Mysore in India. After initial problems, they established a parallel Sera monastery with Sera Mi and Sera Je college and a great assembly hall on similar lines to the original monastery with the help of Government of India. The monastery complex in Tibet encompasses 28 acres of land. The structures of notability were the Great Assembly Hall, the colleges, and the dormitory. At Sera Monastery, the debates occur between 3 to 5 p.m. Young monks can be found scattered in groups of 2 to 4 all throughout the courtyard, practicing their philosophy through debating one another. It is an interesting form of debate as the speaker makes each of his points with his whole body, the thrust of his argument climaxing with raised voice and an enthusiastic clap of the hands downwards towards the opponent. Some of them add their own flavor to the gesture, which makes things quite entertaining. বুদ্ধ পূর্ণিমা বলে আজকে প্রচুর ভিড়, প্রচুর টুরিস্ট আজকে। In the main hall, scriptures, statues, scent, cloth, and murals were seen in profusion. The entrance to the hall was through a portico built 10 columns. Large thankas were suspended from the ceiling on the side walls.